Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I wanted to come on to share a birthday card that I made for my husband this year. Um, I've been going through a lot of my craft supplies and oh my God. And I think I've said this every time I go through my stuff and say that I have way too much stuff. And I think it's because I don't have easy access to it. Um, my craft supplies are everywhere, or it's not organized right, and it's not in front of me, and I'm not using it like I should. Um, so I'm going through it, and I am giving a lot of stuff to reuse it, not reuse it shop. I guess so. Reuse it shops, Goodwill, um, just I just don't have the time to sell them individually like some people do. I just don't. I really don't. So as I was going through all my papers, I came across this paper pad that I haven't touched, or I might have touched. I just didn't finish anything with it. I didn't complete a project. And then I noticed in that same, like I put all my papers in those 13 by 13 bags that you get it from the Dollar Tree. I have a ton of them. And I came across this, and it's just a little pack. It's an authentic paper called Rugged. And this is like one of my all-time favorite paper companies. I don't know if they're still in business, but it is my all-time favorite, along with Prima, um, Graphic 45 papers. I just love the vintage look. So I have this paper, need to use it. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Um, and I had in this bag, there were these little squares and triangles and things like that. And I was like, ooh, we make quilted squares for girls. Why don't I make one for a man? I thought that was a great idea, and it looks great, I have to say. So I just want to go through. I used this paper. Here's the sheet that I used, a couple of the stickers. Here's a cut apart, and I'm not showing them. They're double-sided cardstock, and I just love these papers. Oh my gosh, I need to use it, use it more. Look at that. That's a map. I love the advertisements and this type of pattern. And then look at this. This is like a paisley page with some dots. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. I'm not going to bore you with that. I don't even know if this paper pad is still available. But that's a paper pad, or a paper. It wasn't a pad. It was just in a sleeve. So anyway, so I created this card for my husband. So I use that technique of just layering squares onto a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 square. And there's like a little edge to it. I use that ticket paper for the background. This is a 5 by 5 black cardstock, 110-pound cardstock. I added some of the stickers because he loves baseball. He's a big Red Sox fan. And he, um, I haven't made him a baseball card in a while, so I thought that would be perfect. And then I added and backed it with the black cardstock, the happy birthday sticker that I made a bunch of. So all I have to do is just mount it, back it with cardstock and add it to a card. And I think it's adorable. What do you guys think? I did not run it through an embossing folder, which I could have used like a hound's tooth and see how that would have worked. I mean, I could have done that, but, oh, and I also inked around the edges of each square. I just love how this look. It looks really cool. I mean, I really like it. And, the stickers just pop. So, and then I did decorate a little bit in the inside. I added some more of the blue paper, um, because it's black, you can't see what you're writing. So I layered it. And then here's another sticker from that paper pad, says my one and only, and a little baseball sticker. So I thought that was really cute for my husband. His birthday is this Thursday. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I don't know why I cut them up like this. But hey, I can make several more and have them ready to pop on a card or something else. So yeah, I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you on Thursday. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye now.